Hey guys, so it's me, Tiffany, and I'm gonna show y'all how to make some, you guessed it, lasagna, bitch, okay? Because my friend Vanessa, my good, dear old friend that never wants to hang out, just kidding, she's always working, but she taught me how to make lasagna, and her recipe is fucking bomb, so don't laugh. So now, ever since we made lasagna together, I use her recipe because it's amazing, and she's part Italian, so, you know, she has it in her blood or whatever, you know, because we cultured or whatever. Sorry, I'll stop.
I've been off the Molly cooling with my niggas. What you figure? Tryna go against my niggas, get you knocked right out the picture. She a stripper, I'm addicted. Then I pass it to my nigga. In the Vic, we sippin' sip, we poppin' cider, not no liquor. I'm a lean sipper, drug dealer, pill popper, knuckle. Bitch down, sippin', walk on do the.
Oh yeah, and this is my sign. Cooking with Tiff. Yay, let's go. So what you're gonna need to make this lasagna today, you're gonna need 2 8-ounce packages of Monterey Jack cheese. The noodles, you're just gonna use whatever lasagna noodles you like to use when you make lasagna.
Have you ever had a dream that you...
I just use the cheapest, like, great value brand, you know what I'm saying? Save money, live better, period. Okay, so next we have Prego. Don't get Prego.
Stop it.
Okay, so for the meat, you're gonna use, how much ground beef is this? 3 pounds of ground beef. And then we have spices. For spices, I'm gonna use garlic powder, garlic salt, Italian seasoning, and then just regular salt and pepper. And what you're gonna be using to cook this in, you're gonna wanna use a lasagna dish or like some type of baking dish. 9 by 13 inches. And then last but not least, you're gonna need a pot. You're gonna need actually 2 of these. So I went ahead and bought another one because I didn't have one. You're gonna need one for like the meat and the sauce and whatnot, and then the other one's gonna be for cooking the lasagna noodles. So yeah, that's all the stuff that you're gonna need. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and boiled my water, and then I just went ahead and threw my noodles in, and I just threw, let's see, I just threw about 9 noodles in there. I'm gonna need like some for the bottom layer, some for the middle, and then some for the top, of course. Sorry, this lighting is just, I'm just cooking my noodles and making sure that they don't get stuck together and just kind of separating them and stirring them. So.
Alright, so as our pasta is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and take my ground beef, my fucking hulk of a package of ground beef, and just squeeze that bitch out.
Alright, so now I'm gonna pour a little bit of water into the pan, just a little tiny bit, to make sure it doesn't dry out. Sorry, my boyfriend's acting a fool right now. Alright, so first I'm gonna take my Italian seasoning, and honestly, you guys, I'm just gonna go ham. Like, I don't like my meat to be plain, so I'm just gonna fucking, like, yeet that hoe. Okay? Just beat that whole ass. fucking eat that bitch. Ew.
talking to me? I'm tired. I do want to go, but I can't. I'm tired. I want to go. Cardi, I want to go to Pluto. Cardi, I want to go to Pluto.
Romeo, check it out.